Hello, in this figure we have an oblique triangle with side B of 16 units, side A of 5 units, and angle A of 48 degrees. We need to solve this triangle and find angle B, angle C, and side C. As you see, this is the case when we are given two sides and an angle opposite one of them. So this is the side-side angle case, which is also called the ambiguous case because the given information can result in one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle at all. So first we need to know that if the side opposite of the given angle is less than the other side, then we will either have two triangles or no triangle at all. So again, in this case, if A is less than B, then we may end up with two triangles or no triangle. Now, to find if the given information will result in two triangles or no triangle, from vertex C, we will draw a perpendicular to the opposite side. Then, using angle A and side B, we will find the height. Then once we find the height, if A is greater than the height, this will result in two triangles, but if A is less than the height, then we will have no triangle. So here we have a right triangle, and we can say that sine of angle A equals the opposite side h divided by the hypotenuse b. So again, sine of angle A equals h over b. If we solve for h, then we will have h equals b times sine of angle A. And if we replace, we will have h equals 16 sine of 48 degrees. Then h is approximately 11.8. So we just found h, and we see that A is less than h. This means that with the given information, we cannot form a triangle. So this is what we actually have, a side that is too short to close and form a triangle. Now let's see what happens if we don't find h and instead we go and use the law of sines to solve this triangle. The law of sines is side A over sine of angle A equals side B over sine of angle B equals side C over sine of angle C. In our problem, we are given side A and angle A, and we also have side B, and we can use the law of sines to find angle B. So we will use these two ratios and start replacing. 5 over sine of 48 degrees equals 16 over sine of B. Then we will use cross multiplying, and we will write that 5 times sine of B equals 16 times sine of 48 degrees. Then we will divide both sides by 5, and we will have sine of B equals 16 sine of 48 degrees over 5. And now to find angle B, we will use the inverse sign. And in parentheses, we will have 16 sine of 48 degrees over 5. And now if we use a calculator in degree mode, we will get an error. So we will not be able to find angle B. And this is because the value of this expression is greater than 1. But recall that the sine of an angle cannot exceed 1. And we can also see this from the graph of y equals sine of x, that the graph does not exceed 1. So if the side opposite of the given angle is less than the other side, and it's also less than the height, then no triangle can be formed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.